The bourbon brat soup that was from Jumes restaurant. I tried for the coney dog recipe, but like any good restaurant family, their key recipes are kept under lock and key. I worked at Legend Larry's for several years, and it was the same with the sauce recipes as well. So I totally understand they don't want to give up their gold. You know, maybe someday in the future there might be another coney dog restaurant run by a Jumes family member. Final ingredient to the Bourbon Street brat soup, brats. I cooked up Johnsonville brats for this recipe, and we add in these nice thinly sliced pieces of bratwurst, because what good Sheboygan restaurant doesn't use bratwurst in some of their recipes? And yes, I did sneak a couple pieces.